Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your OPPO A5x. So first, what you guys can do is adjust the media volume in the settings. So open up the settings on your phone. Now here, go to the main page. And right here we will have the sounds and vibration. Now here we can change the media volume just like that, and I did that so you guys wouldn't hear sound, but this is how you guys can change it. Make sure to keep the do not disturb off. If it's on for you, then disable it. And here we will have the mute media when do not disturb is enabled. We also gotta uncheck that. So both of these are getting unchecked. Now moving on, we need to clean our speaker and the headphone port. So depending on where the low volume problem persists, you guys can clean either the headphone port or the speaker grills, and they are both at the bottom. So as you guys can see, here we have the speaker grills and here we have the 3.5mm. So now basically after cleaning it all up, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any audio glitches that might be on your device. So these glitches happen a lot, it's very normal and you shouldn't worry about it. So what you guys can do is go over to settings, scroll all the way down to system and updates and click on software update. As you guys can see, my version is up to date and it's checking automatically. So as you guys can see, it's checking for updates now, and you guys can see that my version is up to date definitely. And if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very good, not only for the security reasons, but also for a lot of glitch fixes, including the low volume problem, microphones, speakers, and much more. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.